Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today is such an exciting day. It's our Christmas open house, and we have a collector's item we're about to show you.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, we've been talking about it a few times, and I'm sure you're really wanting to know what we are unveiling.
What we're up to.
We're always up to something.
Sneaky.
Sneaky. So today is the day of our Christmas open house.
So we're welcoming all you lovely ladies in the boutique from 10 to 5. Me and Lousje are here all day. We have some goodies, some Christmas goodies, and we're just going to go over a few of the things that we're highlighting here. We are kicking off our drive for YWCA. We have a beautiful bag here at the cash. We've made up quite a few of these, over 50 of them. Each bag has shampoo, conditioner, body wash, chocolates, hairbrush, deodorant, chapstick, wipes, facial wipes, feminine products as well. Just a great treasure piece. Look, we got big size ones for the ladies. They requested big size shampoo and conditioners. We're really excited about this, ladies. So we've done up a whole bunch of these bags. You can purchase the bag for $25. We are going to put it over into our donation bin here when you purchase it. And this is all going over to YWCA for the week of December 16th. We're either going to deliver it or the ladies are going to pick it up. We're so excited to see how many bags we are going to be able to sell. So in selling the donation bag, we are offering you a $25 gift certificate off in Lousje Bean boutique that you can use online or in store. If you purchase the donation bag online, ladies, you will get an emailed gift certificate right to your inbox. And it is valid in the new year, January till June. It's our way of giving back. It's sort of a win-win for you. It makes you feel great to give to the community as well. And then it gives you something that you could give away as a gift, actually. You could gift the $25 gift certificate, or you can use it yourself in the new year. We have so many beautiful items here in the boutique also, so it'll be so fun to see you today. And we are doing our Christmas ornament promotion as well. Spend $350 before tax, and you get to choose cute little silk ornament that are fair trade made in Thailand. So fun. Should we talk about our outfits maybe? A little fit check here.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Well, I have the new Lousje and Bean leggings on. The leggings we replenished. And I'm wearing a size small. They are long, which a lot of you have requested. So a little long for me, but I cuffed them. It's no problem. And the look top, that is a free size, comes in 3 beautiful colors.
Yeah.
But of course, this is Lousje's color, right?
Yeah.
So I found some amazing Sinikleo, always.
Love it. I have on the Kedzoric dress. I own this dress myself. I absolutely love it. I wear it quite a bit. And then, of course, some beautiful Ziska ball earrings. These are the new gold ones.
Yeah, beautiful.
Gorgeous, hey?
Beautiful.
Yeah. So, ladies, we are in a blank palette for a reason. So let's go through the boutique and you'll see what our beautiful collector's item is that will be also an amazing gift for Christmas or for yourself. Come on, let's go look around the boutique and see all the beautiful items that we have.
So, lovelies, many of you have not seen the boutique since we opened in July. And, of course, many things are always changing, right, in the boutique. We've got a beautiful collection of Ayala bar and a new line.
Yes, and then liquid metal is one of our favorites.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then our play corner. This is where you lovelies play with all the baubles and the beads, making your own necklace. It's endless. This is so much fun, this corner.
It is so fun. And some beautiful pieces from Ziska that just arrived. Look at how gorgeous the emotion bracelets we love. So many beautiful earrings. It's like a treasure chest for us where we do videos to come and pick some beautiful pieces to style up our item.
Right. Charlie is on the couch. He changes from bed to couch and couch to bed. So right now he's on the couch.
He is KO'd.
Our Love's Pure Light Center, always so much fun too. So many colors to choose from, a few new ones that we brought out a few weeks ago. And when you're tired of perusing, you can keep the little froggy company on the gorgeous chair. And oh, what do we have here? Oh, yes, love this line. And,
Yeah.
well, both lines.
Yeah, and Marie.
Yeah. And then
Pursuit. Gorgeous.
yeah.
We have another bin here, ladies. We're going to fill them all up. We're so excited. Beautiful Gershon and Bram. Look at that.
And Tessa, we have socks.
We do.
Really, really nice socks. Look at these cuties.
I know. Those are the little petal ones.
I wear these to my yoga class all the time.
Do you? Yeah. It's the perfect size.
It's the perfect size.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, yeah. And then, of course, our mod necklaces, always popular.
Beautiful.
And
Oh, our Lousje and Bean.
yeah.
These are our little treasure pieces, ladies. Our infinity scarves that we love to make.
Good.
So nice, eh?
Easy peasy.
Oh my goodness, Alambika.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
This is, look at this.
I know.
Oh,
So cozy.
so cozy.
So cozy.
It's endless. Creases and these beautiful wool coats.
Yes, they are so you're loving them. They fit so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the lining. Ooh. The dog walking sweaters. Oh my.
We just restocked new colors. Amazing.
And then the dress you're wearing also comes in this beautiful luscious color, right? And a navy.
And just one coat left. Look at
One.
yeah.
One.
So beautiful.
So lovely.
All right, ladies, we've arrived at the couch and we have a beautiful Christmas tree set up here. And look at the gorgeous Siriglio. Isn't it great? Lousje always grabs her Siriglio. Always. So our collector's item that we are so excited to drop today on this very special day is a Love's Pure Light.
Look how luxurious this is packaged.
I know.
Love to receive this.
Beautiful
This is
package.
pure luxury.
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
All right, ladies, we have recreated our Lousje and Bean tulip fields scarf. We've done a different border designed with Sydney, and we have a little collector's item card there for you, signed by me and Lousje. And let's unveil these beauties.
You want to go first or together?
Yours has, yeah, look how pretty yours is. It's
The
got,
border is all tulip fields.
yeah,
This is tulip fields.
yeah,
It's amazing. And
absolutely.
you?
I have all the butterflies.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so
Gosh.
gorgeous colors. We did black borders, ladies,
Sumptuous colors.
because it's so colorful on the inside.
And Tessa.
And all our beautiful butterflies.
Beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous. What a size too, eh? What a luxurious.
I know. So we had our Lousje and Bean collector's scarf that sold out so quickly.
Very quickly.
And we decided to bring it back for you lovely ladies in this beautiful border. 2 different styles,
Look at this.
a fuchsia and the blue.
Look. Can you hold that?
Of course.
Look at this.
Beautiful. I know. I know.
my.
And don't you like the black border?
Love the black border.
That was my influence. Sorry, ladies. I just love it.
And this.
I know.
And you have the blue, right?
Yeah,
Border.
it's gorgeous.
To the black.
Yeah.
The detail on it, it's exquisite.
So if you don't know, if you're new to us, ladies, this is Love's Pure Light from BC. Sydney paints these beautiful paintings and then they get printed on scarves. So she did this custom print about me and Lousje's life. So we have Lousje, as you know, is from Holland, from the Netherlands.
This is the Amsterdam flag of Amsterdam with the 3 crosses.
Yeah.
And of course, lots of windmills and lots of tulip fields.
Clumpias, the wooden shoes,
Right.
an airplane, because we love to travel.
We go there a lot.
The clothing line.
Clothing line, because that's what our business is like. Are the doggies on it?
Well,
It's
there's
turning
picnics down there.
Yes.
And there was tennis rackets, but they got taken up by the border.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, here's the picnic with the bottle of wine. So cute.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
So pretty.
Oh, my goodness.
So this is our exclusive drop today, ladies, of these 2 beautiful scarves. We hope to see you out today in the store. These scarves are available online as well. So are the donation bags. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. And please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And watch out, tomorrow is the first day of our 12 days of Christmas.
It's a wonderful time.
My favorite time of the year.
It's my favorite
Wow.
time of the year.
I've-
She's had her humongous Christmas tree up already.
Oh my
for
goodness.
quite
We
a
got the
few
biggest tree possible.
weeks. Yeah, it's
It's a little too big, but it's great.
it's great. Okay, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, keep on smiling.